Feeling like life's just too much sometimes? Too much stuff, too many choices, too little time. These 10 books aren't just good reads. They're game changers. They'll help you declutter your space, clear your mind, and finally breathe again. 1. The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. 1 question. Does it spark joy? If not, let it go. Marie Kondo's method transforms your home into a peaceful, joyful space. It's not just about organizing, it's about resetting your entire mindset. 2. Essentialism by McKeown. It's not how much you do, it's how intentionally you do it. Essentialism helps you cut the clutter, say no without guilt, and make room for what really matters. It's like decluttering your to-do list. Permanently. 3. Digital Minimalism by Newport. Constant notifications, mindless scrolling. This book helps you unplug and rediscover real focus, creativity, and peace. You don't need to quit tech, just learn to use it on your own terms. 4. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey, a timeless classic. These 7 habits build your personal power from the inside out, helping you grow in clarity, relationships, and results. It's life coaching in book form. 5. Atomic Habits by James Clear. Tiny habits equals massive results. James Clear shows how simple daily actions lead to incredible transformations. No fluff, just practical science-backed strategies you can use today. 6. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This isn't just a book, it's a mindset shift. Tolle teaches how to break free from mental noise and live fully in the present moment. If peace is what you seek, start here. 7. Deep Work by Newport. Shallow work keeps you busy. Deep work moves you forward. This book teaches how to concentrate without distraction and finally do the meaningful work you've been putting off. 8. The Minimalist Home by Becker. Decluttering your home isn't about losing stuff. It's about gaining freedom. Becker walks you through creating a space that supports peace, purpose, and simplicity. 9. The One Thing by Keller and Papasan. Feeling scattered? This book brings clarity. By focusing on just one high-impact thing each day, you can reduce overwhelm and multiply your results. It's a total productivity shift. 10. Goodbye Things by Fumio Sasaki. Real story, real transformation. Sasaki shares how letting go of his stuff gave him peace, purpose, and self-discovery. It's emotional, honest, and seriously motivating. Want to dive deeper into any of these books? Let us know in the comments, and we'll create full summaries and insights, the kind that are short, practical, and easy to apply. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and grow with us right here on Simplify and Grow, because sometimes less is everything.